Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to ASN Tech, and today I'll be showing you what I carry in my everyday carry. This will be for when I'm traveling home, to uni, or if I'm just simply going out. This is what I would usually carry. So let's get on with the video. So starting things off, we have my North Face Fusebox backpack in yellow. Yes, you'll be able to see this from like 50 miles away, but it's a nice colorway, black and yellow. It's a bit nice to be different instead of having an all black backpack compared to everyone else. And let's get started with what this bag has. So first off, this bag has a nice big side zipper you can fit your chargers, cables, everything, or whatever you want to put in there. It's pretty nice and handy. Next pocket would be the little pocket behind your back, so you can put your wallet, cards, passport, or just tiny little tech items that may be useful. Up next will be the top open backpack, because new casual backpacks, it'll open from the side. This one opens from the top, which makes accessing all your stuff really easy. Flip open the lid, got a nice laptop pocket, nice item organizer, which is detachable. So if you don't want it, you can just put it to the side. So the first item I carry in my backpack would be, of course, a laptop. I've got this Targus laptop sleeve. It's 14 inches, works really well, and it houses my 2017 Razer Blade 14, and you know, it's a bit outdated now. Intel i7 7700HQ GTX 1060, but it's still more than plenty for what a student needs. Got this nice D-brand skin and sticker on the back, but yeah, it's a good laptop. Up next would be my Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. It's got a nice magnetic case, big nice 120Hz refresh rate screen, AMOLED screen, so it's got a nice colour accuracy and vibrance. Thin, light, also comes with a nice pen if you need to not note down notes or anything. Makes the whole thing a lot easier than typing everything up if you're in a rush. So up next would be my go-to headphones that I carry around. This is the Bose QC35s. They're really light and comfortable. They've got a good cushioning on the side ear cups and on the top headband, so you can wear it for an extended duration of time. Really good comfort. It's really good for me when I go to the library and I study long sessions. Also, they're really good for travelling around due to the noise cancelling that they pack in. Next up would be my Orkey 20,000 milliamp power bank, enough to charge my phone multiple times. It does come with USB-C, Lightning, and a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 port to charge all your devices, and a micro USB on the side. Charges everything fairly fast, and it does come with a nice pouch to put your cables in and to keep the power bank pretty much safe and protected and scratch free. So nice power bank to carry around. Definitely recommend. Up next is my Spigen hand warmer. It's got this nice gunmetal shine to it. You know, got a big power button, and it does feature as a power bank as well. You hold the power button down and you wait till the light turns red, and then it'll start heating up and warming your hands up. Especially nice in the winter. Definitely, I do not leave without this. Audio wise, again, up next would be my Amazon Echo Buds. So this is a lot handy if you're just casually walking around but you don't want to wear headphones because they can be quite bulky and heavy at times and awkward. But these fit in your pocket easily, Bluetooth wired, wireless, you know, no wires at all. Very nice and comfy, good noise cancelling, and yeah, pretty much it. The next product I'll be showing would be this W-Joy power brick. It has two USB-Cs, one quick charge USB, so able to charge two USB-C devices at once, for example headphones or earphones on the go. Small, portable, packs 65 watts of power max through one USB-C port, and is a really nice device to carry around, as well as this Chotec USB-C cable, nice 2-meter cable, able to reach anywhere, able to charge my laptop, my Tab S7 and my phone, so big up. Yo, thanks guys for watching my first video on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.